Square root of 3 minus square root of 12 upon square root of 3 plus square root of 12. How to solve this? How to simplify it? So there are two methods to solve it. Let's do it with method 1. So first we will rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, we have to multiply and divide it by the conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate of x plus y is x minus y. So conjugate of square root of 3 plus square root of 12 will be square root of 3 minus square root of 12. So let's divide and multiply by this conjugate. So it will be square root of 3 minus square root of 12 upon square root of 3 plus square root of 12 times square root of 3 minus square root of 12 upon square root of 3 minus square root of 12. Now in the numerator, if square root of 3 is a and square root of 12 is b, then it is a minus b times a minus b. So it is square root of 3 minus square root of 12 whole square upon, again if square root of 3 is a and square root of 12 is b, then this is in the term of a plus b times a minus b, and this is the expansion for differences of square, a square minus b square. So we can write here square root of 3 square minus square root of 12 square. Now a minus b whole square, the expansion for this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this will be square root of 3 square minus 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 12 plus square root of 12 square upon, we can remove the square root with the square, so it will be 3 minus 12. In the numerator also you can remove the square root with the square, so it will be 3 plus 12 minus 2 times square root of 36 upon 3 minus 12 is minus 9, 3 plus 12 is 15 minus 2, square root of 36 is 6, so upon minus 9, or 15 minus 6 times 2 is 12 upon minus 9. So this is equal to 3 upon minus 9. Let's multiply and divide it by minus 1. So this will be minus 3 upon 9, or we divide both in numerator and denominator by 3. So it will be 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3. So answer is minus 1 upon 3. So this is one method of solving it. Now let's try a different method. Let's try a different method. Square root of 3 minus square root of 12, we can write 4 times 3 under square root upon square root of 3 plus same 4 times 3 under square root. Now when a times b under square root, this we can write square root of a times square root of b. So this will be square root of 3 minus square root of 4 times square root of 3 upon square root of 3 plus square root of 4 times square root of 3. Now square root of 3 minus square root of 4 is 2. So 2 times square root of 3 upon square root of 3 plus 2 times square root of 3. Now we can factor out square root of 3. So square root of 3 parenthesis 1 minus 2 upon square root of 3 1 plus 2. We can cancel this square root and this square root. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So answer is minus 1 upon 3. Which method did you use? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.